everyone, it's Jennifer Hart again, and I had showed another video, which I don't know if you've seen yet, about vegetarian options, and I just thought I would show you what I eat for dinner. And this is something I eat quite often, which is a Buddha bowl. So a Buddha bowl, you can kind of throw a bunch of ingredients together as you would like. So let's come in close and I'll show you how I do this Buddha bowl. So I put the bottom down here, greens, avocado, you can steam veggies like broccoli, or I steamed cauliflower, and I put some crunchy vegetables over here. Then I made some rice and I put in some vegetables like right at the end, some frozen veggies, and I just stuck those in there, and then I just put that in here, and I put a little soy sauce on the rice and the steamed veggies, and then I love green onions. I put in a ton of green onions on I love green onions, so I put in a whole green onion there, and then I make this so good, this carrot ginger dressing. It is so good. If you want the recipe to that, I will give you that, but it's very yummy. So, and then I just put this on top. The important thing with salads is to make sure you have like lots of color. You want to have a bunch of different colors, and then you know you're getting different nutrients. And voila! Thank you. See you again soon.